Bam! What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with a video. This is, yes, a different video. Now, we're gonna go over a few things in this video that might shock and awe you guys, right? So, we're gonna pull up some stuff right here real quick. Okay, so, now, if you've seen the thumbnail, yes, this is a scam. Now I'm going to show you because I thought it was a customer, right? Wrong, it wasn't a customer. So, this guy sends me an image, right? If you guys, I'll post it up in the corner somewhere. All right, so the number is a 605 number, okay? So, he sent me first text, hey, you know, it says, hello, how are you doing today? I would like to blah, 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 offer welding fabrication services, and I'm Steven Bruce. Kindly get back to me if you got my message, okay? All right, so pretty much guy, you know, he's communicating. I'm like, okay. You know, he said, where are you located? I said, my shop is here. He said, a guy with a truck will pick up this and this and that. Now, the thing that I found out we got audio too. If you guys want to hear the audio, I got some audio. You know, I can't let my subscribers down without, you know, doing the audio, you know what I'm saying? Thought you was gonna get me. Not today. Not the Welding Machine. But, so yeah, we got some audio, we got the text messages. I'm gonna block the number out. I mean, you guys can call if you want to, but they won't answer. Then, the guy answered the phone. You know, if you had a normal customer, think of your normal customer that you have on a day-to-day in your business, trade, or side work, you deal with them. Who's going to pay somebody that they call over the phone without even meeting you? First red flag. Okay. Then he sends you a print and says, oh, you can fill in some of the blanks. Okay. So I got to figure all this stuff out? Okay. So I went to the links of actually, you know, trying to figure this out before I did this Google search on this image, right? And found some interesting stuff from just Google searching the image. You can go to image on Google and then you type in upload and then upload the photo and then you'll search it and then it'll pop up. It popped up under a website that said scams or hate scams or something like that. So when I called this guy back, then, you know, we continued talking and stuff like that just to get it going, just to hear some more stuff. Then he's like, hey, I mean, any customer I deal with, they want to be, hey, this is what I want, this is how I want it. Nobody says you can determine whatever this and this and that is, the radius of the fence or gate or whatever you're building. So yeah, first of all, not gonna pay you through pay you with a card. Not meet up with you in person to talk to you, make sure you're not a scam. Then he sent me a link to set up a Clover merchant or something. I got the text messages. They're going to be popping up. That and stumbling over words, being very quiet. And then he said, oh, I sent you a text. So, I mean, you can't just talk and call me and tell me. I mean, I'm talking to him right now. He sent me text while I'm talking to him. That's another red flag. Another one is his number is a South Dakota number. If it is a real job, then it's really not because I searched it up. You guys can search it for yourself. I'll put the picture in the link down below so everybody knows what the picture is. And it's a actual, I can't remember what the welding, hold on, I'm going to tell you, hold on, let me see if I can't pull it up, the page. And it'll be 2 weeks ago. It says Garage Bound LLC. Shared the same picture. Immediately, red flag went up when I received the email asking for a quote for the same drawing. This scam, as we are now confirming a third person received the same image, same email in Florida. Be careful out there, guys and gals. We are all vulnerable. Scumbags will try to take advantage of you. And it says photo by, and it has the company. What time is it? I don't know what time it is. But yeah, search the image. Be aware because I'm letting you guys know. You heard it from me first. I thought I was going to get scammed, but I think it had something to do with, he's like, yeah, my card don't work on Square Card Reader or PayPal or anything like that. It only works on something. So I was like, okay, well, I mean, what card do you have? Is it American Express, Visa, MasterCard, Discover? Because Square Card Reader accepts all forms of payment. He didn't text me back. So yes, it's a scam. You guys be aware. I mean, he might be using somebody's fake name, trying to, get funds taken off, or send you a link. You click on the link and he hacks your phone. I mean, it could be anything like that. So be careful, guys. Not all welding jobs are real. If you don't meet the people yourself, then I wouldn't advise you to accept any form of payment until you actually meet the person face to face, because or meet somebody, because he said North Carolina, but I'm like, okay, like, what is it, I mean, who would you pay $3,000 to do a gate or a fence or whatever, and you don't meet them, and you gonna pay them, and you have somebody pick it up? Scam. So be aware. All right, guys. Thanks. It's the Welding Machine. This is helpful information. Hopefully, this helps you guys. Be aware and watch out for scams. Out. To verify. So this is not a scam, huh? Hello? Okay, because I looked up the picture and it said that people have been receiving. I'm just calling to make sure.
No problem. I'm okay with the code that you provided, and I'm ready to proceed with making the steps.
Okay, so where would I meet you to get this down deposit?
Yeah, well, I'm currently out of the state on the business trip right now, but I was making a payment from my credit card to Global Machine.
Say that again, please.
Yeah, I'm currently out of the state on the business trip right now.
Okay.
Yeah, so I want you to turn over Global invoice of code to proceed with the payment.
Oh, okay, hold on. Can you speak a little bit clearer? I can't understand you.
Okay, just let you know.
All right, say that one more time, please. Hello?
Hold on.
No, you said how would you like to make your deposit?
Check your text and get back to me on that.
Let's see. Send me a Clover merchant invoice for the quote so we can process with the payment. Um, so would you like to pay with card?
Sure.
Yes. All right. So about this gate, is there anything else I need to know about, like the radius for the tube or anything like that?
Yeah, no worries.
The radius of the tube, like if you look at that, the print, it shows the radius, but it doesn't say where it needs to be bent at.
Yeah, well, I need your professional suggestion on
Uh,
that.
okay. Now is the ground or the where the gate is going, is it gonna be flat or is it like hills and valleys or flat ground? And you said it's gonna be in North Carolina? Okay. And you said this is not a scam. No. So are you from North Carolina? Okay. So why do you have a Minnesota number? Or no, not Minnesota, but South Dakota. Okay. All right. Well, I'll see it. I'm just calling to verify. That's all. All right. Thank you. Bye. Automatically save. All right, guys. Take two. Hold on. All right. Don't say that. I'm not talking to you. Okay. I'm calling in. Oh, you're on hold. Okay. The guy probably won't answer. No.
The string customer you're trying to reach is not accepting calls at this time. Please try sending a text message. Goodbye.
All right. What's up? Hello? Yeah, that was.
Hello.
Yeah. I don't have the Clover Merchant. All I have is Square Card Reader.
Okay. I'll send you a link for you to read it. Get back to me with any questions. Okay.
You said you're gonna send me a link.
Yeah, for you to create the club shot account. So
I'm not familiar with that. I only use Square. That's the only payment I accept.
yeah, convenient.
Huh? What'd you say? Hello? All right, guys. As you can tell, the scammer hung up because it's fake as shit. All right. Thanks for watching. Oh my god.